generally used by the tribal people. The tribal people have made the Worli painting. Madhubani painting is related with the Bihar. Okay, in Bihar a type of painting we make, that is called the Madhubani painting. Okay, so do you know, children, that who are the architects? Who are the architects? Architects are the people who design your house, who make the plan of your house, कि आपके घर में बेडरूम कहाँ होगा और किचन कहाँ होगा. दे प्लान कि what the rooms where it will be. Okay, the design people make of our houses are known as the architect. Architect are the people who make the design of our house. Now after this we have the people who design our house, ki where the things will be, where the cupboard should be, where the painting should be, which color paint we should put on the wall, and where the TV stand should be, where the flower vase should be. So they design and they settle your house in a very proper way that looks really beautiful, and these people are called the interior designers. They are called the interior designers. Okay, so on page number 23 we have this. After this we have let's try 5. We will be doing this. Okay, now here it's written Aarti this is Aarti's house. She and her family members have to decorate their house for Diwali. ओके, दिवाली तो यू ऑल्सो डेकोरेट योर हाउस ना, आप अपने घर को दिवाली में डेकोरेट करते हो, तो ये आरती को भी अपने घर को दिवाली के लिए डेकोरेट करना है. हियर आर सम आइटम्स फॉर यू टू हेल्प देम डेकोरेट देयर हाउस. Draw and color these items on the picture of the house and decorate it for Diwali. Now you have to help Aarti to decorate her house, and here we have given some pictures. Okay, so let us see. This one is तोरण. सो वेयर वी शुड पुट द तोरण. जब हमें तोरण लगाना होगा तो हम कहाँ पे लगाएंगे? डोर पे. सो दिस तोरण शुड कम ओवर हियर ऑन द डोर. ये तोरण को हम यहाँ डोर पे लगाएंगे. वी विल डेकोरेट दिस डोर विद द हेल्प ऑफ तोरण. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज अर्दन पॉट्स. दिया को हम अर्दन पॉट बोलते हैं. ये अर्दन पॉट है. दिस अर्दन पॉट वी विल पुट ऑन ऑल द रेलिंग्स. सो वी विल ड्रॉ दिस अर्दन पॉट ओवर हियर, 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 here, here, here. If we can draw over here, 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 and here also, because दिवाली तो we put earthen pots everywhere ना, हम सारी जगह पे रखते हैं ना. Now this one is rangoli. Well you all know rangoli. Rangoli हम कहाँ बनाते हैं? दरवाजे पे बनाते हैं. So this is the place for rangoli. We will make the rangoli over here. हम सारे के सारे रंगोली यहाँ पे बनाएंगे. We will make rangoli over here. Now it's not necessary that diya is one, so you will make only one diya. You can draw diya 3 here and 3 here. Here also you can draw. Okay, and now rangoli one is enough, more than enough. But this toran you can use for the ground floor door and the first floor door, both the places. You can use on the windows also. The next one is a hanging. One hanging is there. You can see this hanging you can put over here. You can put over here and here also. So you can draw 3 hangings. One over here, one is here, and one is here. So I hope you understood that you can, where you can do. So toran on the door, on the wall, on the window also. अर्दन पॉट दिया आप यहाँ से पूरी एक लड़ी में लगा के कर सकते हो. रंगोली यू विल पुट ओवर हियर एंड हैंगिंग्स यू विल पुट ओवर हियर, हियर एंड हियर, वेयर एवर यू वांट. हाउ यू वांट टू डेकोरेट, इट्स योर इमेजिनेशन. ये आपकी कल्पना है कि आप कैसे इसको डेकोरेट करोगे. ओके, so now I'm going to read, and reading is very important, you all know. Now you have to read how I am reading. Okay, read for 2 times at least before doing your homework. Okay, so on page number 22 we have decorating our house. We all like to decorate our house. Some people in the villages decorate the walls of their of their house by mud houses with rice paste or vegetable dyes, while some make rangolis at the entrance मतलब डोर पे बनाते हैं. Okay. Now the second one paragraph is, people in cities decorate their houses using various objects such as wall hangings, lamps, paintings, aquarium, decorative plants, rangolis, etc. Okay. So now in houses are also decorated on special occasions such as weddings, festivals, birthdays and pujas. Flowers, leaves, colors, earthen lamps and pots, streamers, etc. are used to decorate the houses on these occasions. Okay. So streamers are the वो लड़ियाँ जो होती हैं उनको streamers बोलते हैं. These all things are used for decorating the house. When we will come to the next one, we have people in different parts of India decorate their houses in different ways. The first one, as I explained you, alpana done with rice paste in Bengal. Puppet walls hangings in Rajasthan. Then kolam in front of a house in Tamil Nadu. Toran in Gujarat. Then we have tribal wall paintings in Odisha, which is also called the Worli paintings. Okay, Madhubani paintings in Bihar. Then we have on page number 23 only, we have did you know. In this, people who plan and design houses are called architects. So I explain who are the architects. Architects कौन होते हैं ये मैंने आपको बताया है. Similarly, those who specialize in decorating the houses and making it beautiful are called the interior designers. Okay. So with this I am completing over here, and the homework you have is let's try 5. Okay, let's try 5. 5 I explained you. Now come to the PB. Everyone will open the PB practice book, and the page number is 7. Page number 7 we have my turn 2, which is related with the houses, type of houses. Okay, in this crossword is given in the and you have to complete this crossword. Okay, across, a house made of waste material. Number 1, a house made of waste material, that is called the sack. So H and C is written, you have to write S, A and K to complete this sack. So the house made of waste material, that is called the sack. Okay, now now we have wooden poles used to make house in Assam. In Assam, the rain, a lot of rain is there, the roads are flooded, so people make the stilts. So we have number 5, stilts, STILTS, stilts. Okay, now 6 number we will come, that is across, means we will go like this. The next one is a house made of canvas. A house made of canvas is tent. So TENT, tent we will write over here. Next we will go from down up to down. Okay, a kacha house made of mud and thatches, that is the hut. So HUT, hut. Okay, the next one is a house with thick stone wall and sloping roof. This is a house which is made which is also made in the hills, where where a lot of cold is there, the weather is very cold. So this house is called cottage. So cottage is COTTAGE, cottage. Okay, the next one is a house in a multi-story building. A multi-story building where the land is very less and we have to make a house one upon the other, and that house is also known as flat. So we will have FLAT, flat. Okay, with this I am completing this. But my turn 3 also you try to do it. This here you have to just know about how to keep your house neat and clean. Okay. Go. Okay, with this I am going to complete this class. Stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye.